Whiteboard offers different ways to use and customize your annotation tools. Access the annotation tools by selecting the pen icon from your toolbar. You may change its width and color. Choose from 5 default colors or tap the color palette on the toolbar for more options. Return to the pen tool and switch to highlighter. You can also change its width and color. To use the eraser, tap the icon. You can also change its width or simply rub out using palm erase. Annotation tools are perfect for getting students up to the panel, whether using Promethean Whiteboard's multi-user mode or making use of your panel's 10 points of touch.